and red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
LA Music Awards was an absolute dream come true. The red carpet was a blast. People were so personable in the way that they were interacting, so it was just really natural. Just a lot of fun. It was good having Tom and Kevin next to me.
You've reached the voicemail of Tehrah. Please leave a detailed message and I'll return your call as soon as I can. I pray you're blessed with all the health and wealth and joy that your heart desires, and make it an awesome day.
You asked me if you were worthless to me if you didn't have any money or anything to offer me. No, you're worthless to me because all you have to offer me is advice. And your advice is absolutely worthless because you accomplished nothing. Why would I want your advice? All you've ever done is put me in jail and take things away from me. You've never helped me with anything. You've tried. You spent thousands of dollars trying, but you've basically destroyed my life. Not that I didn't have a hand in it. I don't hate anyone in this world.
When you were a baby,
but I hate you.
I held you in my
It hurts me to say that I hate my own mother, but damn it, I
spoke wonders and miracles and blessed your life.
I mean, you're a miserable person like you. You have nothing to offer society.
And now you're on your own.
It's all bullshit. It's all bullshit.
And you've chosen a path that I can't walk upon.
When you can help your own son.
'Cause I've been down that road before, and it's so cold and dark and full of war. My prodigal son, one who's on the run. When are you coming home?
Thank you so much for singing for us. So next song.
Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, there's a land that I heard of once in a lullaby. There are two kinds of people walking this earth. Some learn the hard way, some know it at birth. That love is only as good as it hurts. Baby, let me tell you, well, I never felt worse. Oh, that's how good, that's how much, that's how hard I'm falling. As hard as I could, that's how good. I'm standing at a crossroad, looking back at a life that I once lived. I'm broke, I'm torn, I'm tattered, worn out, got nothing left to give. Now I'm staring at the remnants of my life. Now I'm wondering if any of it really even matters. Now I hear a voice crying out inside, and it's begging of me, pleading with me, baby, baby, please let go. My prodigal son, You're all